Welcome to my lecture. Today we will do composition of function. Composition of function. Okay. Composition of function. What is composition of function? Composition of function. What is composition of function? Composition of function. Composition of function means suppose if there are three sets A, B, C. A, B, C. This is A, this is B, this is C. This is to this to this to this. This is A to B A and B to C. This is G. That is what is composition of function? F is A to B. F is A to B, and G is A to B. This is A to B. G is B to C. Okay. G is B to C. B set to C set. Okay. This is two functions F and G. Two functions F and G. Now what I am doing here, the range of F. Just listen. That is FOG. FOG means FOG means composition of function. O means composition. FOG exist. FOG exist if range of G is a subset of domain of F. Domain of F. Then FOG exists. Similarly, GOF exists if range of F is a subset of domain of G. Domain of G. This is the formula. No need to memorize all this formula. Just you listen. So FOG exists if the range of F is a subset of domain of F. GOF exists if range of F is a subset of domain of G. So then we can say GOF exists. That means we can calculate GOF. Exist means we can calculate. Okay. FOG we can calculate if the range of G is a subset of domain of F. Subset of domain of F. Practically, FOG not equal to GOF. FOG not equal to GOF. Be careful. O for composition. Just listen. Then along with a sum, along with a problem, you will understand clearly how to find FOG and GOF. So I am solving a problem now. Just you follow me. A problem I am just writing here. A problem. Fx equal to problem. Example 1. F colon R to R, real number to real number, Fx equal to x square. G colon R to R, Gx equal to 2x plus 1. Find FOG and GOF. Find FOG, this sum. Just listen, then you will understand clearly. Just Fx is x square, Gx is 2x plus 1. Find FOG and GOF. Now, what is actually FOG formula? FOG formula is f of gx. This is the formula. F of gx. FOG formula is f of gx. This is the formula. FOG means f of gx. So that is f of What is gx? Gx equal to, you see, 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. Try to understand. What is gx? Gx equal to 2x plus 1. In place of gx, I am putting 2x plus 1. Now, what is f of 2x plus 1? What is actually fx? Fx equal to x square. Therefore, f of 2x plus 1 means 2x plus 1 whole square. This is 2x. This is f of g. This is f of g. Okay. Now GOF. Now GOF. How to find GOF? Similarly, GOF equal to g of fx. Like f of g. F of g means f of gx. So GOF equal to g of fx. G of fx. So g of fx. That means what is g of, what is fx? Fx, now you see, x square. Fx equal to x square. Then this equal to g of try to understand. GOF means g of fx. This is a formula. GOF equal to g of fx. G of fx. Now g of fx. What is fx value? Fx value is x square. So g of x square. Now what is gx? Gx equal to 2x plus 1. What is g of x square? That means 2 into, this will be 2 into, in place of x we are putting x square. 2 into x square plus 1. 2 into x square plus 1. So this is the composition of FOG and GOF. Similarly, you can find FOF, GOF, you can find. Okay. So we are going for next sum. Then you will understand clearly.